Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please read the disclaimer mentioned in the description before watching the video. Today I'll inform you about the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. I have selected the topic because many are aware of shocking dowry related cases occurred in India recently. It's incredibly disturbing that the dowry system still persists in India. Such tragic incidents can only be prevented if society completely bans the dowry system. If people cease giving dowry, only then will we see a change. Always file a complaint against those who demands dowry. Now, let's see about the act. Today I will cover the meaning, objectives and penalties under the act and other related laws. Let's start. The Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 is the primary Indian legislation which makes giving, taking and demanding dowry criminal offence across the country. It was enacted on 1st July 1961. It has been periodically amended to impose stricter penalties. What are the objectives of the Act? First, the primary objective of the Act is to eradicate dowry system from the country. Second, and it was enacted to criminalize giving, taking and demanding dowry and to protect women from harassment and violence and to promote gender equality. What is dowry? Under section 2, dowry is any property or valuable security given or agreed to be given directly or indirectly by one party to a marriage to the other. Voluntary gifts given to the bride or bridegroom without any demand are permitted, but it must be recorded as per specified rules. Any dowry received must be transferred to the bride within 3 months of its receipt or held in trust for her benefit. Nature of the crime. Offences under the Act are generally cognizable, non-bailable and non-compoundable. Penalties and enforcement. In case of giving or taking dowry, under section 3, penalties include a minimum of 5 years of imprisonment with a fine of rupees 15,000 or value of dowry whichever is higher. In case of demanding dowry, under section 4, demanding dowry directly or indirectly is punishable by imprisonment ranging from 6 months to 2 years along with a fine of up to rupees 10,000. Related laws. To further curb dowry related abuses, Indian Penal Code and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita contain provisions. First, cruelty. Section 498A of Indian Penal Code, corresponding section 85 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, punishes husbands or relatives who subject a woman to cruelty or harassment. Second, dowry death. Section 304B of Indian Penal Code, corresponding section 80 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, dictates if a woman who dies of burns or any unnatural causes within 7 years of her marriage and was harassed for dowry, it is classified as dowry death, which carries a penalty of minimum 7 years to life imprisonment.